Alright, hey, what's up everybody? Alright, so I actually get a lot of questions and comments about what it is I do for my beard. Make it look nice, straight, full, clean. I'm going to give you a quick video on what it is I pretty much do every day after I take a shower to make it go from looking like this to this. Actually quite simple, easy to follow. Okay, so here I am, fresh out of the shower. As you can see, this thing is crazy. It's all over the place. Right? Now I'll go over everything that I use after I show you how I do it. So, first thing, hair dryer. Hair brush. Gonna move this camera over a little bit. All right. I don't use the cold setting. I know some people say, "Oh, use the cold setting. It's better for your hair." Well, one, I didn't see a difference. Two, it took way too long trying to do it on the cold setting. So I was like, no. And other people like use the low setting. No, because again, it just takes way too long, and there was really no difference. So I go on high, brush it all out. Just like that, dry, straight. Looks pretty good. After I do that, a little bit of beard oil. Depending on the length, is really going to determine how much beard oil we want to use. Me, I put, I guess you can't really see it all that well. Just a little bit. Rub it all in, all over the hands, and start off like that. Under. And then I really try to rake that in. Get it to the skin. Now, comb. I'll tell you exactly what kind of comb. But afterwards, I kind of give it a nice little comb up. It helps to kind of fluff it back out. Give it a little bit of volume. And straight down. Then I use a stiff horsehair brush just to kind of flatten it and help with any of the little flyaways. And that's it. Didn't take too long. Everything looks good. Clean, straight. And now I'm going to show you everything that I use. Okay, so for the process of straightening, my hair dryer It's just this Conair with this nice brush attachment. You don't have to have this. I like it though, because that brush attachment actually does help quite a bit. In fact, my wife bought this for me for Christmas a few years back. I absolutely love it. It works great. Any hairdryer will do. Just you gotta find one that you like the best. Horsehair brush. Nice stiff horsehair brush. Okay. If you have sensitive skin, you can actually go with a softer one. I actually bought this off Amazon. You do not need to buy anything expensive. Any boar's hair brush will do. I just wanted to get something a little fancier, I guess. Made in Germany. Yay! Whatever. It's a nice brush. Works great. Comb that I use. This is actually an ox horn comb. Okay. Regular wood comb works great as well. I've actually come to really like the ox horn because it's much smoother, even less snags, but you definitely want to at least have a wood comb or one of these fancy little ox horn combs. You don't have to buy anything too expensive. You can get this for $5. You can get that for like $5 off of Amazon, even at Walmart. You don't need anything fancy, just as long as it works for you. I suggest, wood or ox horn because they don't grab your hair. No snagging, no pulling, not like a plastic comb. For the beard oil, I just go with some Everyman Jack. I just like the way it smells. Like I said, just a couple little squirts, depending on your length of the beard. Rub it all in, good to go. And then I also just have this Conair brush. I found it works really great with that guy. And yeah, that's about all I use after I get out of the shower. Now in the morning, because I don't like to run my hair dryer in the morning because it's loud and people are sleeping, I have this guy. It's a heated brush. I think it was like $20 off Amazon. Works great. Plug it in, let it heat up, and then you just brush it through like any other brush, just to kind of get the bed beard back straight and looking good. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Also, please note, I am not some kind of professional hairstylist or anything. I am just your normal, everyday guy who just takes some pride in keeping it looking good. And I always say, if you're going to have it, make sure it looks good so you don't look like some kind of homeless dude on the side of the street.